Hello everyone! Today I am gonna share the video about my first week in nursing school, Chiangmai University. Let's see my schedule first. This one is my studying schedule. I have the classes the first week until the third week, and then I have to go to practice at the hospital. I have just only 4 classes or 4 subjects in this first semester. That is my subjects that I have to study. For this week, I have to take English exam. This one is for university test. Everyone have to take English examination for measure the knowledge what level you are. I have to study 5 days, and next week I have to take the midterm examination, which is PMC or primary medical care subject. 8 chapters and 80 questions. 80 questions. So I have to plan my studying schedule, out of time after class, and I have to plan the exercise schedule, sleeping, right, and studying. Yes, I have to prepare it before the midterm exam next week. Let's see how it's gonna be. And by the way, this is my student uniform, and this is the symbol of the nursing faculties. See ya! It is all of the chapters that I have to review.
Not directly, but just as for more of to help them keep track of information. And for the CMU mobile,
position suddenly movement they need to avoid นะคะ if they have vertical attack they need to นะคะ lay down นะคะ
ไม่ได้แบบนี้หรอก
Did you have to lead the team to the goal that the team set or control the work? Yes.
เฮ้ยนี่ดีกว่าก่อนดีอ่ะ
มา
Okay, hi, the same background again, but today I will try. Oh, my hair is messy. Today I will try the Hong Kong snacks. Is my friends gave me. I don't know what it is. That's too much. So let's try one by one. First one is kind of Thai snack. It's kind of rice cracker in Thai. ขนมโดโซ Second one is gonna be natural calcium. Hey, so cute. Oh. Tastes so good. Crap. Seal. seahorse. I don't know. That's so good. For the next one is this one. I don't know what it is, but let's try. They have the words bat. Okay, Mr. Bat. Where is you? Is cracker with seaweed. This one. Let's try. So good. Looks delicious. Looks so good. That's a corn, right? ยกข้างไปตรง It's kind of the cracker again. Wow. Let's try. Contains seaweed and squid flavor. Yes, squid flavor. The cookie maybe, I guess. Let's try. Looks so cute. This small cookie. Oh no! No. What it is? Let's try. My mùi giòn lên. I don't know, but the taste so good. This one is coconut. It might be the same, but let's try. What it is? B. Not sure. B 什么 Real coconut. Oh, it's quite the same. It smells so good. So good. I don't know what it is, but if you guys know that, please comment below the video. Cocoland. I mean the candy. Let's try. The green apple. Oh my god, smells so good. It's jelly. Like this. Smells so good. It's strawberry. I like strawberry. It's jelly. Gummy. When I was a children is popping candy, artificial flavor. Let's try. Oh my god, my brain. Oh my god. It's quite the same. This one is not from Hong Kong, but my friend, she went to America. She gave me the chocolate. Oh wow. It has a peanut inside. It tastes really good, but it's too sweet for me. Get some water. Yes, it's really good. But if I rank about the snack that I've tried, I would say. But if I rank like the snacks that I favorite the most, I might say this one. It's really good. This one, I don't know what it is. It's kind of cracker or something. and it have the protein is really high. This one, I don't know what it is, but the taste is kind of have the coconut texture and something kind of dry pork or I don't know how to say. Yes, it's pork. Pork, sugar, coconut, fish sauce, palm oil. That's so good, guys. Let's try. That's very good. Okay, the first one that my favorite. The second one, มันขนมนมสดรสข้าวโพดค่ะ and this one, the pork and coconut and palm oil and fish sauce. It's really good. Let's try. See ya the next day.
Fucking classes.
But we have
Yeah,
to.
we're scared at the same time.
But we have to put your order in.
Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna put this from any website. Maybe this website.
You order so website.
What about this one? I think it's there. And we can put this picture on our presentation. This one. Yeah. As you can see.
As you can see, we see
We organized the new words
research.
by ourselves because we don't want to be what is it called?
Life would repeat like this every week, so I try to find the new activities that I am interested to do. I mean for boost my energy. And I would like to end up the video. My English, if I am wrong, please correct me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you for the next video. Bye bye.